So namaskar all of you. So this is a batch notification for the interview batches for UPSC Civil Services, Odisha Forest Service and Odisha Administrative Service. So UPSC Civil Service already the schedule is out, interview schedule is out, and Odisha Forest Service, the results have come out for the physical test. So those who have been called for the physical test, you can start preparation for your interview. Okay, and OS results have not come out. We are expecting it shortly. So those students can also, those who are very confident that we are getting marks which will be enough for us to get an interview call. So you can also start with these batches, especially the classroom students, okay, and the other students which who already are doing the theory classes. Okay, so you can join these batches. The batch is starting from April 12th, Monday. So we have 3 slots. 10 to 1 we are having the theory classes. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. we will be having the theory classes. Then from 2 to 5 and 6 to 9, these are the slots for mock viva. Okay, the mock interviews. Other details I will be telling you now. The PDF of this particular video, the PDF which I am using, you can find it in the description link. If you want, you can download it. So these are our results. Our interview batches, the success rate of the interview batches is very high, be it OS, be it OJS. Okay, even in last OFS also people have scored, people have cracked ACF as well as Forest Ranger. You can see their mock interviews if you go to Arohan Classes YouTube channel. All the mock interviews are there. So 2016, 2017 and 2018 rank 1 in OS, okay, from the interview batches. This is basically for 2018 batch. This year 2019 in Odisha Judicial Service also the results have been excellent. Not only that, one of our interview batch students has also scored rank 4 in West Bengal Judicial Service. Okay, so you can go through all these interview videos you can go through the YouTube channel. So excellent results in OS, OFS and Odisha Judicial Service interview batch. Last 3 years rank 1 from our interview batch, that is OS. So let us now come to the main features, or what are the provisions what we will be giving in these interview batches. So number 1, 60 hours of theory classes. Okay, so each theory class is 3 hours basically, so we'll have 20-30 days theory class. Intensive mock interviews. So this is one of the major differences between Arohan class interview batches and other institutes, where generally you'll find 10-15 minutes interview even for group A services like OS or OJS, but here in Arohan basically minimum time is 30 minutes. Okay, minimum time of each interview is 30 minutes. It may be batch 1 or batch 2, that means the paid batch or the open batch. Okay, whatever be the case, interview duration is minimum 30 minutes. Next, video analysis with award winning algorithm based software. What do you mean by video analysis? So your facial expressions, etc. So that is an open source algorithm, okay, which gives you a mark, okay, and that tells you that the things which you need to change in your presentation. Okay, so we are using that open source algorithm. So as I told you, it starts from 12th of April, okay, Monday. Theory class daily 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and this is basically both classroom and online. Because of COVID situation, many students may be thinking that we will not be able to go to the class. So in that case also it's fine. Once you join the batch, okay, the video of these classes will be shared with you. Okay, mock interviews online and classroom both. So those who can come to the classroom for mock interviews, you're welcome. Those who cannot, then online also you can give. In fact, I was talking about the OJS results. So this year rank 1 in Odisha Judicial Service and rank 4 in West Bengal Judicial Service both had taken your online interviews, right? So that we are using Zoom, and that is also half an hour interview. Okay, so interview timings will be, one batch is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Office will allocate the time to you once you register. So this is the first. We are having 2 batches. One is a more comprehensive batch which is a paid batch. 2000 rupees is the course fee, and another one batch is, that is open batch. Okay, the selected students, anyone can come and give 2 interviews, that would be free of cost. So let me come first to batch 1. So in batch 1 we have 60 hours of theory classes, and these theory classes, what we will be doing in the theory classes: biodata analysis, most important, your UPSC or OPSC biodata, okay, or detailed application form if you want to use that terminology. Then district and state fact sheet, okay, your district and the state, okay, so important questions and important events which are going on. Current affairs, international, national, and Odisha, okay, this is quite common. Analysis of previous toppers interview. So our toppers, their interview analysis will be done in the class. What are the good things they did, that is obviously and what betterments or what changes, okay, could have been done, that also we will discuss in the class. Next, especially for OFS, we have the forest legislations, reports, okay, for example state of the forests, okay, and the government forest reports, right, both at the national level and at the state level. And most importantly, after the theory classes we will be having 10 mocks, okay, and it is very, as I told you, 30 minutes minimum, okay, each mock. So there have been some interviews, mock interviews, which have gone to 1 hour also, okay, in our institute, and those students have got in top 10. You can see one interview I can remember, I think Abhishek Tripathi, rank 8, which year I don't remember, 2015, 2016 or 17, that was a 1 hour interview, okay, mock interview. So basically minimum is 30 minutes. So the 10 mock interviews, first mock interview just to know what is your current, where do you stand, basically that is the ice breaking interview. We will try to know about your strengths and weaknesses. Then mocks second and third are based on your biodata. Okay, you may be thinking that a biodata is only 2 pages, okay, 2-3 pages, and like it's like we are giving 2 interviews, means 1 hour for it. It's basically most of the questions will be asked based on that. Next, your optional 1 and optional 2, both for Odisha Civil Service and Odisha Forest Service, okay, and if you are in for UPSC, then both the interviews will be on your single optional, okay. Mock 6 will be related to forest legislation, current affairs and related issues. This is basically for OFS, and for others like IAS and OS, we will be having stress interview, okay, in mock 6. So mock 7 will be having a stress interview. This is one of the toughest interviews to face, where the aim is not to know your knowledge, but to know your, okay, of what metal you are made of, or basically how are you able to handle pressure or not, okay, that is basically the intention of stress interview, okay, not knowledge but your attitude, right. Next, overall interview, that means everything will be included, and these 8 interviews were all internal interviews. Then most important, once you are fully prepared, then you have the mock panel interviews. 2 panel interviews you will be given, where eminent people, 3 or 4 people will be coming in a panel, that also will be half an hour, and they will be giving you marks, okay. Who are there in the panel and all, I will tell you at the end of the video. Also you will be receiving in hard copy, those who join batch 1, interview handbook, okay, all the probable questions, okay, will be there. Then forest legislation and report handbook, this is basically for the OFS, those who are joining for the OFS. And last year 6 months important current affairs handbook, okay, this is what you will be getting in hard copy, okay. This interview batch 1, this is free of cost for our Arohan classes classroom integrated batch students. So if you were a classroom integrated batch student, or you had joined the OFS batch, then this one is free of cost for you. You need to inform the center, Bhubaneswar center, before admission that I was a classroom student or OFS batch student, then this particular batch will be free of cost for you. Otherwise, the course fee is rupees 2000, okay, and the documents that you need to give at the time of admission: 1 passport size photo, any government issue ID card, mains admit card copy. If you are coming for classroom program, then you have to give it in the office. If you are for the online batch, then also you can send it through WhatsApp, okay. And mode will be classroom and online. So theory classes also, if you can't come to Bhubaneswar, wherever you are, you can get all the classes, theory classes, and videos. Your mock interviews will be through Zoom. As I told you, in this year due to corona, many top rankers of different exams like OJS and all, they have taken the mock interviews. Okay, it's the same thing, same half an hour interviews will be there. Okay, so you can choose your mode, either classroom, or if you are staying somewhere else, then online. Okay. Next, coming to the, so this is about interview batch 1. Okay, course fees 2000. If you are a classroom student or OFS batch student, then it is free of cost for you. Next, interview batch 2. So this is an open batch. So what happens here, you have you know this is mainly for those students who are more experienced, you have already given some interviews at this level. Okay, and you know all the details and all, so you just want to make sure that okay, you are ready for the exam. So here we have 2 mock interviews, one internal interview will be there which you have to give first, and then one panel interview will be there, and it is completely free of cost. Okay, this is also both online and classroom. But remember, in the panel interviews, all internal interviews can be online, but the panel interviews, right, where the the interview panel will be coming, that cannot be online, right, that you have to be present before them, right. So that will be offline. All panel interviews will be offline, and internal interviews you can take, that will be online, right. And same documents you have to give, one government ID, your admit card copy, and one passport size photo. Okay. So this year's interview panel, let me tell you, obviously we can't reveal the names of the officers and all. 2 retired IAS officers, 2 retired Indian Forest Service officers, 2 retired Odisha Forest Service officers, 2 retired OS officers. Okay, so this is the panel for this year. This is from the administrative side. Then we also have panelists from academia. For example, if your optional is forestry, so we will be having an assistant professor or professor of forestry, okay, during that interview, right. And for the theory classes, we have faculties and research persons from Gopabandhu Academy of Administration and the Foresters Training College. Okay, so this is during the theory classes, right. Venue, this is at Bhubaneswar Center, our own classes, Bhubaneswar Center at Acharya Vihar, and it starts April 12th, okay, 10 AM, and both online and offline. Okay, so if you are concerned about the COVID thing and all theory classes you can opt online. Okay, and when the situation improves, you can come for the mock tests. Okay, that offline. Okay, so that you can decide, right. So this is the number of the Bhubaneswar Center. In the scroll also you can see 76840 54656. And if you have any doubts and you want to communicate with me, you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210. Okay, I wish you all the best. Those who have qualified the written exam, now this is the last hurdle. Okay, so give your best so that you will be close to success. Okay, best wishes to you all. Thank you.